Okay, so we got here to the Kek Lok Si Temple. In the background there, it's huge. The camera can't really grasp how large it is, but we're gonna make our way over there.
So we are going to go to the top of the temple. You can purchase the lift tickets here, which is 8 ringgit one way. And if you choose to walk, I believe it's about 30 minutes. So you can buy your ticket one way from the bottom. And if you want to walk down, you can walk down. And if you choose to take the lift, then you can buy another ticket for one way on the top. So we have arrived, I believe, at the first level so far, and then we're going to take a trolley here that will take us to the next level.
So we have taken first one, it was an incline lift, then there was a little trolley. Now we're lining up for another incline lift to the top of the statue.
Okay, going. 来，还有金耳，来。
These are the zodiac animals in the Asian lunar calendar.
We just went into a temple, and just as you approach the temple, they have both sides lining the different animals of the
Chinese zodiac.
So I'm the rooster. He is the horse. What are you?
So that was the tour of the Kek Lok Si Temple here in Penang, Malaysia. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed more videos like this, remember to click subscribe on our channel, click that bell notification, and hit that like button. It helps to grow our channel.
Until next time, see you soon.